Hey there, dessert lovers. Get ready to transform a classic into something truly spectacular. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of strawberry tiramisu. It's fresh, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. First, let's whip up our luscious mascarpone cream. In a bowl, combine mascarpone cheese, a touch of sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. Gently fold in some freshly whipped heavy cream until it's light and airy. This is the heart of our tiramisu. Next, we need our ladyfingers. Briefly dip them into a sweet strawberry puree or a light strawberry syrup. Don't over-soak them. We want them moist, not soggy. This infuses every bite with vibrant berry flavor. Now for the fun part, assembly. Start with a layer of those strawberry-dipped ladyfingers in your dish. Spread a generous amount of your mascarpone cream over them. Then, add a layer of fresh sliced strawberries. Repeat these layers until your dish is full, finishing with a beautiful cream top. For the best flavor, cover and chill your tiramisu for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows all those amazing flavors to meld together. Before serving, garnish with more fresh strawberries and a dusting of powdered sugar. Every spoonful is a burst of sweet, tangy, and creamy goodness. This strawberry tiramisu is guaranteed to be a showstopper at any gathering.